Now I would like to show you how to install i7pro-WB dash camera in your car. The first setting we need to do is remove the adhesive bracket from the dash camera. After this, we need to use electrostatic stickers. Find a dash camera's right placement in the windshield, and after finding a place, use electrostatic stickers on the windshield. The CPL filter comes in the package of the i7pro-WB dash cam, and I'm using it on the front of the dash camera. Finally, the dash cam is installed on the car, and let's switch it on by using the hardware kit 424/7 parking mode. Now, we need to install a rear camera in your car, as I'm installing it inside the car screen because the rear camera is not waterproof, so that's why I installed it inside the car, and that's the position of the rear camera. As I have installed an i7pro-WB 4-channel dash cam with the hardware kit, and you can switch on the level of the parking mode, and level 2 is maximum priority level. The i7pro-WB dash cam connect to a smartphone using the Vidor app, and you can find the Vidor app in the video description. From this app, you can manage settings, view live footages, and download video files remotely. Open the Vidor mobile app and open your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Find the dash camera's network and connect using the password. Open the Vidor app and tap Connect Camera. It should automatically detect and connect to your dash cam's Wi-Fi. From the app, you can view all your 4 camera views, and you can also adjust the camera settings of the dash camera. In the parking mode section, you will find it that it can continuously record everything while parking, but it will keep using the battery power as well, as you are using a hardware kit which manages the battery power according to power settings.